this lesson. Okay, we are still doing beginning sounds, and today we are going to look at R and P. Okay, pa, pa. Okay, and now we're going to go through the words. We're going to spell them, sound them, and then put them in the right place on the board. Okay, so let's start with our first picture. Are you ready? Robot. Let's spell R-O-B-O-T. Robot. Okay? Sound it out. R-O-B-O-T. Robot. What is the first sound you hear? Letter R. That's right. So let's put him there. R for robot. R for robot. Okay. Next picture. Let's see, what do we have? We have pear. Pear. That's a nice fruit that you can eat. Okay. So let's spell quickly. P-E-A-R. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. What's the first sound you hear? Pa. That's right. Pa. So we're going to put it under P for pear. There you go. P for pear. Okay, let's keep going. You guys are doing really good. This is rectangle. That's right. Rectangle. That's a big word. Let's spell quickly. Let's put this out. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Let's sound the letters, okay? R, E, K, T, A, N, G, L, E. Try rectangle. Rectangle. Alright, and what sound do we hear first? R for rectangle. So let's put him there, and we have it. R for rectangle. Okay, let's see, what is our next picture? Is that penguin? That's right, a cute little penguin. Okay, so let's spell penguin quickly. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Pa-e-n-g-a-in. Penguin. That's right. What sound do you hear when you start saying it? Pa. Penguin. Pa. Penguin. That's right. So we're going to put him under the pa sound. There we have. There we have. Pa for penguin. Okay. Let's see. Your next picture is ruler. Ruler. So let's spell R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Let's sound it out. R-A-L-E-R. Ruler. What's the first sound? R for ruler. That's right. So we're going to put here. Ruler. Okay. R for ruler. Okay. Our last picture. You ready? Are you ready? Pail. Remember, this is another word for bucket. Pail. So let's spell P-A-I-L. Pail. Let's sound it out. Pa-a-i-l. Pail. Alright. What's the first sound you hear? Pa for pail. Good job. Good job. Alright. Here we go. There we have our 6 pictures. So let's quickly, let me get the pointy stick. Okay, so here we have, let's go through all of them one more time. So I want you, watch, listen, repeat. Okay, so R, her, R for ruler, R for rectangle, R for robot, ruler, rectangle, robot. Okay, let's go back, let's go over to the side. P, P, P for pear, P for penguin, P for pail, pear, penguin, pail. Okay, one more time, you ready? Ruler, rectangle, robot, pear, penguin, pail. Good job. Wow, you guys are learning this so fast. Okay, but please remember, if you don't understand or you need to remember something, go back, watch this video again. So you're going to listen, watch, and repeat so that your brain can remember everything. Okay. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the page, and share with all of your friends so that everybody can learn together. Okay? And I'll see all of you in the next lesson.